Hello, Tomoya. I received your package in the mail, and I have to say, I'm already excited just because the little bear right here. It's very kawaii. And I love like all the colors and stuff. I'm super excited to get started. So let's go ahead and open the package. It's harder than I thought. This is a weird package.
You're weird, buddy. You're weird.
It's got like the strangest... How do you open this thing? Alright, I'm just gonna go brute strength. How confusing is this? Oh yeah. Even the boxes are different over there. Wow. So much stuff in this box. My goodness, and it's heavy too. Ufo Noodles. It looks pretty spicy, but delicious. This one does not look spicy, but it looks pretty good. I can't really guess the flavor. Maybe soy sauce? Coffee? Ramen? No. Milk seafood flavor ramen. Oh, Jaga Choco. Potato chips covered with rich chocolate. Ooh, this one looks tasty. Looks like some tofu, and it looks spicy because it's got a dragon on it. Chopsticks and napkins from 7-Eleven. Smells like Japan. And the bag is from 7-Eleven. Woo! Wow, we have another big bag right here.
Throw your hands in the air.
Even the little tape has a little drawing on it. Meat flavored chips. Looks tasty. Donuts with a little cute donut man drawing here. Excited for these. Ooh. Kind of like some chips that look kind of like noodles with a guy with a cool hat. Oh, some like crab chips with a kind of scared crab. Oh, curry flavored chips. I can't really tell what this is. Maybe like condensed milk biscuits, snow cookies, Hokkaido right there. I'm excited to see what these taste like. Oh, chili flavored chips, like potato stick kind of thing. Yum. Caramucho. Pea snacks. Ooh, these are pretty good. That looks healthy.
Healthy McDonald's.
Ooh, I think these are potato sticks that are flavored ranch flavor. Sweet potato, baked potato flavor. Looks super good. Oh, this looks like eel snack. Dried eel. Unagi. Ooh, katsu. Deep fried thing. But I don't know what the flavor is. Is it just bread? If so, it still looks pretty good. I got two of these. Caramel corn